Here I am again. Left the hotel. Now I'm on to the new hotel, and we'll be staying in Kata for the next couple days. So I'm anxious to see what the hotel looks like. I've never stayed in Kata. In all my time in Phuket, I've never really spent much time in Kata. If I'm comparing Phuket to Kanon is much more quiet, much more peaceful, much less traffic, much less dirty. Not nearly as much to do, but very peaceful. Phuket it's like Bangkok, reminds me of Bangkok, except in a more beautiful setting. Reminds me of Pattaya, except I think it's more beautiful than Pattaya. A little more upscale. Okay, so I am now in the Ibis Kata Phuket. The area is much nicer than Patong, but this is what I'll say. We got the family room, and let me just show you around. It's 2,568 baht per night. And to put that in perspective, the last place was 3,077 baht. So anyway, let me show you this. The bunk beds are not exactly my style, but I don't know why I don't know why they're in here. I don't know why this makes it a family room and why we got this room. I have no idea. As you can see here, we have a lovely bed. I believe it's a queen size bed. Quite nice. Little mural above the bed. We also have a TV, and over to the right and behind this, I guess is the kids area. We've got a little Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and then we have some bunk beds, which I don't know why we have these. I'm gonna sleep on top, Bo's gonna sleep on the bottom. No, I'm joking. All right, so have a little footstool here, that's nice. Telephone, let's take a look at the bathroom. I love having the air conditioner, that's a plus. Toilet. Sink. Comes with a hair dryer, of course. Body wash. Shower. This is not exactly what I would call a fantastic view. At least there's a balcony, but the view is less than stellar. There's the balcony. I don't know what that is next door, but that's the view. The Ibis Kata Phuket. It's just back off the main road a little bit. Good location. I don't know much about this area. I have been through here, but I haven't stopped here or stayed here or spent any time here. So I'm going to explore a little bit, check everything out. But I can tell you it's a step up from Patong Beach, that area. I think it's a little more family oriented, obviously with Mickey and Minnie in the room. There will be no lying in the bed watching TV. I'm standing in front of this cannabis shop here, but I want to show you this mural. It's pretty cool. Let me show you this here. All right, so I found a place to eat. Looks pretty good. Lost in Phuket, because I am lost in Phuket. And I got a quattro formaggi pasta. 4 cheeses in the pasta. Cheeses. 4 cheeses. It's pretty good. This is the beach. Look how many people there are. Crazy. Too much wind to fly the drone. I like this area more than Patong, but I still like Kanom better. I'm comparing Kanom to Kata and Patong, and I don't know. I like quiet. That's what I like. I like peaceful. I like having the beach to myself. And now, basically, I came back and knocked out. I went down to the beach. A lot of people down at the beach. It was really, really hot, so I just walked back. And yeah, now I'm going out to dinner. It was just too hot and too windy to fly the drone today. I'm gonna try to go tomorrow early in the morning. I don't know what I'm gonna do because, I mean, you know, there's a lot of the usual stuff. You can eat, you can have coffee, you can do whatever here. It's great. But if I go down to the beach, there's a lot of people down there. A lot more than I'm used to. What is this called? The focaccia and boqueta.
This is the pork belly cooking in our sous. And then the last 30 minutes I can bake in the oven.
It looks really good.
ยกขึ้นมาที่เนี่ยก็ไม่รู้ว่ามันไม่ออกรสชาติสนุกแฮมหลุดไม่มีแฮมมาหมายถึงว่าไม่เวลาเสิร์ฟ
Look at this homemade tiramisu.
ต่างเสิร์ฟมันจะออกมาไม่ตรงแล้วเราก็จะส่องแม่ร้านอะไรต้องมี
We are at Phuket Walking. What is this? Where are we right now? Kata Walking Street. We're at Kata Walking Street, and we're indulging a little bit. It's beer 30 after our good meal. We all have a bunch of beers, so time to enjoy. Look at that view. Beautiful. Where is the drone zone? This is the drone zone. Oh, and there's the big Buddha. Wow. All right. Drone zone. ขึ้นที่บินโดรน